Hello guys, welcome back. I prepared some kind of data for you to how we train our model, and as you can see, it is one of the hardest libraries I made, and we must have many problems using. Okay, but let's dive deep into it. Let's create a new Python file and call it what we should call it. Let's call it what shall we call it? Let's call it model creator 1. It's good for now. Okay, let's see what we do in the file. We don't need this anymore. Let's see what we do. Import pandas as PD. That's right. Every time we must import pandas. Now we should get all the datas in the file. Okay, let's see if we can do it. It's the it's not, if it's not right, it's not tight. Okay, it's pd.read csv and the data name is all data 1 csv. We don't run it. Okay, let's see what give us. It's the best thing we can see. It has a lots of features. Let's see len of a, over 70,000 line of data. Okay, now what should we do? Let's go and see. It's create xtrain and put them to a list. Let's see what is it doing. Xtrain and put all of the xtrain to a list. Let's see. Let's call it data. We want to everything look better. Data, it's a small x, and we also don't want all of this data to go there, but for now it's okay. Let's say all of the data go there because we can create a test data again if you want, and it don't have actually a test data. Okay, this is the really hard part, that we don't know anything about this. Let's just read here. Making the model. I create this model, I think 3 or 4 years ago, and I don't know anything about what is it doing. And I write it when I was a nerd and programming 10 or 12 hours a day, but now I don't have any understanding as it is doing. Let's try and make it clear. Let's at first create a part and import the data there. This is the first problem we run into. The TensorFlow isn't installed in our dataset. What we should do? Okay, we should go and use our Colab library. Let's search Colab. Go there. Okay, for now, let's take a quick look in our data and then go and put them in the Colab. It's an example comment data replaced with your comment, tokenizing and padding, auto-encoder, model encoder, decoder, train the auto-encoder, encode new comment and normalize the score. Okay, I kind of understand what it's doing, but it may take a time to explain to you. But in the next lesson, we are going to put this on the Colab. Until then, bye.